Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I am going to do a division, long-term division. I hope that a lot of people will get benefit from it and understand it. So let's start it. This mean in the name of God. So let's say we have 4x 4x cubed minus 6x to the second power plus 3x minus 8. We divided by x plus 3. Let's do it. X plus 3. We have 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x negative 8. Okay. Here, the first step, we see here is 4x squared, cube, and the first letter right here is x. So we need the number that we multiply it by the x and given us the 4x cube. So we need 4 times x is 4, and we need x squared. So 4x squared times x, we get 4x cubed. And we have a positive sign right here. We put the positive sign, and then 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared. We draw a line. So here's the trick. Always, all the time, when we multiply a number by these two numbers and we get the result over here, we have to change the sign. We must to. So here is negative, here is positive, and here is positive. So we gotta change it to negative on both sides. So we get 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. And negative 6 minus negative 12, thus negative 18 x squared. We get the number down is positive, let's make space, positive x, and we get this one down also, so negative 8. So let's look to this. We see here the first sign is what? Negative. So we put here straight up negative, because this here is positive. So negative times positive is negative. And then we need 18. Again, we need the same number that we multiply it by the first letter, the very first letter, and given us the same number in here, the 18x squared. So we need 18x. You see, this time we need square. We didn't need cube, so we have to take the x only, not the x squared, because x squared times x is x cubed. So 18x times x is 18x squared. And negative times positive is negative. And 18x times 3, thus do it here. 3 times 18, 3 times 8 is what? 24. 24. So we got 4 and 2. 3 times 1 is 3 and 2 5 54. We need here 54x. Again, we change the sign. Always we have to change the sign. So negative 18x squared minus positive 18x squared is 0. Positive and positive, 3 plus 54 is 57x. We bring down the negative 8 or minus 8. So we look here is positive, and we look here is positive. So we need the positive number. We need same number that multiplied by the x is given us the 57x. So we need here positive 57. You see, we take the whole number. Wouldn't need this time. Wouldn't need the x because we got the x in here. If we put the x right here, it was x times x is x squared. So we don't need the x. We just need the number. 57 times x is 57x. Of course, positive. Positive times positive is positive. And 57 times 3, let's do here. 57 times 3, I think is 171. If I'm not, let me just check. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 and 2, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 is 17. Yes. 171. So we almost finished. Change the sign. This one is gone, 0, and negative, that's negative, and then we add 179. So the result is 4x squared minus 18x plus 57 with remainder 179. This is the result. So let's do a check now. To do a check, we gotta multiply this number right here by these two numbers, and we have to add or subtract the remainder, the negative 179. So we do x plus 3, and then 4x squared minus 18x positive 57, and we do minus 179. Okay, x times 4x is 4x cubed. X times 8 positive times negative is negative. X times 18 is 18x squared, and x times 57 is positive 57x. Now we do the same thing. Okay, 3 times positive 3 times 4x2 is positive 12x squared. 3 times 18 positive times negative is negative. 3 times 18, I think we did it somewhere in here, 54. So 54x, and 3 times 57, we did it here also, is 171. So it's positive 171, and then minus the remainder, this number right here, 179. So now let's group, let's do like group. Okay, we have here 4x squared. Do we have any 4x squared here? No, so we bring it down. 4x cube, I'm sorry, cube, not a square. and then 18x squared. Do we have any another number? X squared, yes, a like term. We gotta add the like terms. So negative 18x squared plus 12x squared, that should be 6, and the big number is negative, so we do negative 6x squared. So we get rid of this number, and we got rid of this number. Now we have 57x in the same like 54x. So positive 57x minus 54x, that's positive, because the big number is positive 3, right? Yes, 3x. We got this number. Now we have 171 minus 179, that's supposed to be the big number is negative, so it's negative 8. So this is the result. Now we check. What do we say here? 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x negative 8. We got here 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x negative 8. Then our work is right. Thank you so much, and I hope everybody get it. Thanks.